Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Malwarebytes for scans and real-time protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Malwarebytes, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.malwarebytes.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Malwarebytes website. Once the page loads, look for the free download button prominently displayed. Click on the free download button to initiate the download process. Your browser will begin downloading the Malwarebytes setup file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. This file is usually found in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. A user account control prompt may appear. If it does, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The Malwarebytes setup wizard will open. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue the installation. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Next, you will see the license agreement. Read through the agreement carefully and select I accept the agreement if you agree. Click Next to continue. You may choose between a typical installation or a custom installation. For most users, selecting the typical option is recommended. Click Next to proceed with the typical installation. The setup will now install Malwarebytes on your computer. This process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Malwarebytes will automatically launch upon finishing the installation. You'll be prompted to update the software if there are any available updates. Follow the prompts to ensure you have the latest version. After the updates are installed, you will be taken to the main dashboard. From here, you can run your first scan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.